Anyway, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our school board meeting. Health board meeting. Health board meeting, November 28, 2025. Secretariat, do we have a quorum?
Yes, Mr. Mayor, we have a quorum.
So we have a quorum. We now proceed to agendas that, pasensya na kayo nadadalas ang ating health board meeting dahil alam nyo naman na priority ko yung kalusugan. So anything na kinakapos tayo, at least through the health board, ma-address kagad natin, particularly mga kakailanganin sa ospital. And malaki lang talaga ang challenge natin sa fiscal management ng nagdaang mga panahon. But I think so far, just so you know, mukhang maganda yung track na tinatahak natin kasi nagpo-produce naman ng magandang resulta. But there is more to do. Now, let's go now to the first item of buying an X-ray machine for Baseco Hospital. In line with our goals and direction that by next year, hopefully, will be accredited by DOH under level 1 condition. Thank you.
Yes, Mayor. I move for the approval of the allocation, utilization, and release of 13 million for the radiological X-ray, 300 MA for Baseco Hospital, chargeable to our special health fund.
13 million.
13. 1-3. 1-3. Oh, swerte talaga ng mga taga-Baseco. Nga pala, Paul, before we move on to this, yesterday the President announced that is going to give 15 million to Baseco Hospital. Siguro ang gawin natin pag dumating yung pera for next board meeting, ang suggestion ko, ibili natin ng gamot para whole year round habang tumatakbo nag-ooperate si Director Licuanan, may gamot tayo na para doon sa hospital. So i-dedicate na lang natin yun kasi windfall naman yun, tulong ng national government, the Office of the President. So, ilaan na lang natin sa gamot. So, hindi tayo lalaylay. Kaya kahit, alam mo, kumisan, kahit anong galing ng doktor, nurses, and other medical workers natin, yung himas, hindi nakakagaling yun. Nakaka-touch lang. But, gamot is the key. So, I would suggest that when the money arrives to us, let that be appropriated to medicine. Nakakailanganin ng Baseco Hospital. So there is a motion to approve